It's the most high-stakes conversation of your professional life. The one where you have to look your boss in the eye and say, "I deserve more." You know you've earned it. You've put in the hours. You've delivered the results. The perfectly rehearsed speech is ready in your mind. But when the moment comes, the words get stuck. What if you say the wrong thing? What if you sound too demanding? Or worse, what if you sound too weak? This single conversation can determine your financial trajectory for the next 5 years, and you have one shot to get it right. But what if the words weren't yours? What if they were crafted by a master persuader, a strategic genius who never gets emotional and always knows the perfect thing to say? What if you had a ghostwriter? This isn't a theory. This is the exact system I used to build an AI ghostwriter and leverage it to get a 20% raise. And today, I'm giving you the blueprint. Before you write a single word to your boss, you must understand why most salary negotiations fail. They fail because they're built on a foundation of feelings. I feel like I deserve a raise. I've worked very hard. Feelings are subjective. They can be dismissed. Our system is different. It is built on a foundation of irrefutable logic and quantifiable data. We remove emotion and replace it with evidence. The system is called the V.A.R framework: value, ask, and response. Everything starts with value. You cannot ask for more money until you have built an undeniable, data-driven case that proves you are worth more money. This is the most important step, and it's where your AI ghostwriter begins its work. The ghostwriter's first job is to be your personal data archaeologist. It sifts through the digital dust of your past year's work, project documents, performance reviews, client emails, team Slack channels, to uncover hidden gems of achievement. You feed the AI this raw data and give it a simple prompt. Analyze my work from the past 12 months and identify all instances where I led a project, improved a process, or received positive client feedback. Quantify the results wherever possible. The AI then helps you translate your actions into the language that executives understand. Metrics. I worked hard on the marketing campaign becomes I managed a marketing campaign that increased lead conversion by 15% in Q3. I helped the new team member becomes I mentored a junior employee, reducing their onboarding time by 3 weeks and increasing their productivity. Before you even think about writing the email to your boss, your AI ghostwriter has helped you build a brag document, a dossier of pure, undeniable, data-backed value. This document is your ammunition. It is your confidence. You have your evidence. Your brag document is complete. Now, and only now, are you ready to make the ask. This is where the AI truly shines, transforming your data-backed achievements into a persuasive, professional, and emotionally intelligent request. A perfect negotiation email has 3 parts: the preamble, the proof, and the proposal. We will use the AI to draft each section, ensuring the tone is consistently confident, collaborative, and non-confrontational. First, the preamble. The goal is to open the conversation respectfully. We feed the AI our first prompt. Act as a senior business professional. Write a brief, positive opening for an email to my manager to discuss my career growth and compensation. The tone should be appreciative of the opportunities I've had this past year. Next, the proof. This is the core of the email. We take our brag document and give the AI its next command. Using the following list of achievements, write 3 concise, powerful paragraphs that summarize my key contributions. For each point, connect my action to a direct, positive result for the company. The tone should be factual and data-driven, not arrogant. The AI will then generate text like, "In Q2, I led the Project Alpha integration, which resulted in a 15% reduction in operational costs. Furthermore, my initiative to redesign the client onboarding process directly contributed to a 10-point increase in our Net Promoter Score." It's not bragging. It's simply stating facts. Finally, the proposal. This is the ask. It must be clear, confident, and justified by the evidence you've just presented. The final prompt for the AI is, based on the value I've demonstrated and current market rates for my role, write a concluding paragraph that confidently proposes a discussion about adjusting my compensation to reflect this performance. I am seeking a 20% increase. The tone should be forward-looking and collaborative.
Use your Ghostwriter.
You've sent the email, the Ghostwriter has done its job. But the process isn't over. Now comes the most difficult part, handling the response. Your manager will reply, and their answer might not be a simple yes. This is where the AI becomes your real-time coach. Let's say your manager replies with a common objection, the budget is tight right now. An emotional response is to feel defeated. A strategic response is to use your Ghostwriter. You feed your manager's exact response into the AI with a new prompt. My manager said the budget is tight right now. Act as a master negotiator and draft 3 collaborative, non-confrontational responses that acknowledge their constraint but keep the conversation moving forward. Focus on alternatives like a phased increase, a one-time bonus, or additional non-monetary benefits like a new title or training budget. The AI gives you options. It removes the emotion and the panic. It allows you to respond not with disappointment, but with strategy. You are no longer just an employee asking for money. You are a strategic partner solving a problem together. This is the power of the Ghostwriter. It's your advocate, your strategist, and your coach, ensuring you are prepared for every move in the game. This system works, but it only works if you prepare. So here's your first simple action step. You are not going to ask for a raise today. You are simply going to start building your arsenal. Open a new document, title it My Value. Now spend just 15 minutes trying to remember one single achievement from the last 6 months where you made a positive impact. Don't worry about metrics yet, just write it down. I successfully completed Project Alpha. That's it. That's your first bullet point. A 20% raise is a number. It's a great number, but the real value of this system isn't the money. It's the confidence, the control, the deep, unshakable knowledge that your career is not something that happens to you. It is something you build, one strategic conversation at a time. If you're ready to stop waiting for what you deserve and start building a case for it, subscribe to ORYVON AI for your weekly strategy.